Good morning, guys. My name is Miss Kamry, and this is just a little bit of an introduction as to who I am so that you can get to know me better. All right. So this is just kind of a picture of me. I'm an elementary school student at William Penn University. I'm looking to be an elementary teacher, so just starting my journey to get to that goal. Currently, I'm a paraprofessional at Harrison Elementary School in the Harrison Connections program. That program is a behavior focused group, and we have small class sizes, really work on our social skills, and just getting some kids that kind of struggle with being in a typical classroom setting, those skills and support that they need to integrate back into that program. And I really love it. I've been there for one school year, excited to finish up this summer and start back next year. So one thing y'all are going to get to know about me is that family is so important. This is my immediate family, my dad, my younger brother, and my mom. I have some amazing cousins and grandparents, my grandma, my grandpa, my cousin, my brother again, and then my other cousin. And then y'all will hear me talk about Ben. We live together. He is my boyfriend. We just really get along and have a great time. Family is super important to me. Like I said, you guys will get to know that. Another thing that is so super important to me are my pets, my little fur babies. My dog, Darby, she will be turning 3 this August 2019. She is goofy and funny and energetic and always gives me great stories. So this is my dog. She loves to play fetch, go swimming, go hunting, and just do anything outside. Now we've got my little kitty cat, Gilbert. He is crazy and ornery and sweet as pie, so you guys will hear me talk about them all the time. Some of my hobbies, I love to do anything outside. Gardening is something that I really like to do. I didn't know that about myself, but I really love to garden and plant flowers and all that good stuff. I love to kayak. Of course, spend time with my little fur babies, Gilbert and Darby. I love to watch dirt track racing. My boyfriend does that. We do that all summer long, so that's something we really enjoy doing. But a big thing that I really love to do is just be at school with the kiddos. I've learned so much with them this past year, and I'm just really excited to keep working and furthering my education so that I can eventually have my own classroom with my own set of students. So that's just a little bit about me. I am excited to get to know everybody and to work towards my education degree. So thanks, guys.